Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching shopping in Sotho. Dinawa. Dinawa. Dinawa means beans. Dieta. Dieta. Dieta means shoes. Musi. Musi. Musi means dress. Burigwe. Burigwe. Burigwe means pants. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.